Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can use your coins on Aliexpress. Now this works for both mobile and PC, so make sure you watch to the end so you can figure out how to use your coins. So if you didn't know what the coins actually do on Aliexpress, they actually allow you to get certain deals. So you can get some discounts on items that you might want to buy by using these coins. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly where you can access your coins right now. So to start with, you want to click in the bottom right corner where you can find account, and then you'll be taken to this page. And as you can see here where it says payments and discounts, there is one option that says coins, so we're just going to click on that. Now as you can see, you can claim these and you can actually earn coins by claiming them, and these regrow over time. So the longer you spend collecting these coins, the more coins you can actually earn. So as you can see, if I come back tomorrow I can earn 50, or I can keep waiting here and earning these coins. So if we scroll down a little bit, we can then see how we can actually use our coins. So as you can see, it gives you, you can actually get discounts on certain stuff. So as you can see here, we can get an extra 25% off some of this stuff at the top here. This one's only 10%, however, most of these are a whopping 25% off. So this can save you a lot of money if you regularly shop on Aliexpress. So yeah, I would suggest looking through all of here, scroll down to see something you like, and then from there you can use those coins that you've collected over time to grab a 25% discount on these items, which can save you a lot of money in the long run. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to use your coins on Aliexpress. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.